or even a business sales event, let Styles FM be a part of your promoting tool. Take advantage of our low price promotion packages with commercials, interviews, giveaways, reviews, and much more. We have special offers when you mix and match and bundle your options. Contact us at 876-286-9216 or 439-5160. Styles FM for the most effective way to exploit your marketing dollar.
All right, it's Styles FM 96.1, 96.7. Those are on your FM band. The program is called Smooth Sailing, and of course, we come your way every Saturday from 9 a.m. until 1 on the p.m. side. The segment we're going into is called Tune for Tune. It's sponsored by DIB Block Factory and Hardware. They are located in Buff Bay, St. Margaret's Bay, and William Street, Port Antonio. Presently, there are two big sales going on at DIB. They have the big paint sale, the best prices on paint. They have the widest variety of tiles anywhere in Portland and St. Mary. So you got to check out DIB, and they have the big showroom at the William Street branch. Enough respect to Mr. Colin Bell, my namesake, and him other son, Mr. Colin Bell, and him other son, Demar, and what the next son name? All of the man them. All of the bell them. We ring loud. Are we that? You understand? Kim, good morning. How you doing, girl? All right, DJ Carl, what you say?
Yeah.
Now, DJ Carl, thanks for coming in. Tell us a little bit about the before we get to it.
Well, DJ Carl is a youth who is a work partnership and we play a tune partnership, play at the club, go street, we play a tune. I'm a little thing at my house, study at my house, practice at my house.
So you understand the rules?
Brave and bold.
Brave and bold, and you understand the rules.
Yeah, man.
It is no indecent language, no profanity. All the tune them have to clean.
Yeah,
we're not playing a special, so we're not playing a tune where DJ Carl or Killer tonight. No. Chungy, Chungy know the rules, and of course, we're not playing a new tune. It's below 2004. That's basically a kind of old show program.
Okay.
But play your thing, DJ Carl. Keep it clean,
yeah, man.
And of course, keep it respectful because you get a chance to talk to Chungy, and Chungy will talk to you.
See.
So right now, courtesy of DIB Block Factory and Hardware, let's go tune for our play first, Chungy. DJ Carl, kick it off.
All right. Dennis Brown and Gregory Isaac. Tell Chungy whom is.
Styles FM.
Join DP on Styles FM 96.1 for a new touch to praise and worship. Total praise! It's inspirational and uplifting. This and every Sunday from 12 to 4 p.m. on Styles FM 96.1.
For the joy of the Lord. I'm on the go, I'm on the go. I'm on the go, I'm on the go.
You've been standing like that beside the radio all day. Haven't you heard about Styles FM on the go?
With Styles FM on the go, you can listen to your favorite programs by calling the USA number 213-992-4360. If you're in the UK, it's 020-3670-1330.
It's that easy? Wow! Styles FM on the go? I like it.
WAW, the Caravan of Love. What a Wednesday! This and every Wednesday from 9 a.m. until 1 on the p.m. Calling Anthony.
Yeah. Dennis Brown and Gregory Isaac. Introduce me to Chungy. Start it from the top.
Yo, DJ Carl. Welcome to Tune for Tune. Welcome to Radio Land. Of course, you know, as me and teacher always do this thing, isn't it? So, this is how we start off Tune for Tune.
Dance and busting tune. Jump. When it's up and bust tune, what's someone gonna do, man? So I back up and run. Singer. Step up.
I'm in the mood to kill a sound, champion sound. Let's show them down. Give me the rhythm, for I've got the feeling. No,
sound on good.
I'm in the mood to kill a sound, champion sound. Let's show them down. Give me the rhythm, for I've got the feeling. No,
play this one until me can't hear no more. This word to not breaking them off the dance floor. Play the one to murder run and hide. Yeah, this word tonight, that's why you lose up. Select a wheel, I want until me can't hear no more. Yeah, this word to not breaking them off the dance floor. Play the one to murder run and hide. Yeah, this word tonight, that's why you lose the life the champion. Oh, you play so good, you must see everything. Wickedest sound than ever hearing on the resident.
Alright, Mr. Carl, you that to know.
Alright, you about my sound now. Champion sound.
Well, Tibet, I want them sound boy over this swallow. Plan for we, so meanwhile I'm a plan. We are wipe out. Then we are say Tibet. Step up, man. Sure.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't you know that my sound is the number one? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the dance has begun. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't you know that my sound is a champion? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have to win this competition.
DJ Chungy, take over.
Alright. I'll tell you something now. You see, Carl, we say we're not going to kill him. We're going to just beat him and teach him. That's how we are going to do it. Alright, you talk about champion sound. This is where your sound is.
Now this is serious joke. Some boy over the sound is going up in.
Welcome to school.
And then back up to the champion. We're going to step out there that we don't cater for no jumper. Go! Champion sound over so. Back up to the gate you figure. Jump and sound over so. Back up to the gate you figure. And when you think you're there, you think I don't have muck. We not tolerate them sound up here so. Sound up be nice and mellow. Like me say fi me disco.
Sounds of Reggie Stepper.
Tell you so.
Because I'm gonna introduce the artist them.
And we run down so. We come to control ya so. So jump and sound over so. Back up to the gate you figure. Jump and sound over so.
Alright boss, you that.
Alright. Tell Chungy what I go on cable time.
X amount of things you get again, man. If you get to all road boy, watch enough things that go on here, man. Have mercy. Let me tell them to go to people. Watch me now, road boy. What me say? Your lifelong, but you're careless with it. Now you escape, but and you surely are gonna lose it. Come again now. Your lifelong, but you're careless with it. Now you escape, but and you surely are gonna lose it. Murderation, keep it and come again. Murderation, me a cause problem. Murderation, keep it and come again. Murderation. What me tell you, boy? Me a go murder them. Show me gun big off for them. Me a go murder them. Show them say me wicked down them. Me a go murder them. All when them have them up.
So they say them are going to murder we. But then I know so when you play Capital, you have to play a damn tune. Saint Mary people, big up yourself.
X amount can't count, a tick amount. You look on them and tell them say again, man, anything rise against the prophet must perish. Down of it. What people want them to say, boy, watch this. Say many more will have to suffer. And many more will have to die in our table. And why I not ask the prophet why. You people want them to say, boy, what?
Line up a funeral casket.
You look up and prepare to die. Who rise against the prophet, they shall show the time. And tell you no, you look up, no deserve to die. Say I don't curse as King Selassie. I the bear, the eater, and the dragon. I go humble and shy. Fighting for the lion, she just to him higher than I. Well, no for them attack, them a see it and spy. Wolf in a sheep cloth, we not tell no lie. I walk them iniquity, sell them bag a stand fight. Until we manifest and I try, them a try. Until we prophesy and them a tell people lie. It's like them no want see the prophet get apply. Tears of destruction, them no stop from cry. But tears of child, the prophet him cry.
Come in DJ Carl, you're dead like your battery.
Why? Love God and live.
Robert French, start the Chungy. Start the Chungy, Robert French. Tell Chungy what go on.
Time.
So you draw for a big singer, Robert French, but we have to stick to something current, you know. So when you talk about some real St. Mary man, you have to talk about a ninja man.
Now hear this. I hear them talking about Bill Treacock, have numberless round here and I burst to carry you to. Read anything you want, just order, I will bring them come. Look, man. So you can go on, terrorize the community day and night.
Hey, Shaka, call Prestige. I'm not talk the DJ either.
When you boy, me know you are gonna lose your life. You can't listen, Bobby, let me tell you. Don't forget who's gonna rule the town and know it's gonna be. You hear me tell them now. It's the Dan Gorgon with the gun teeth in front of who me talking about? What me tell them, say? I got the permit to bury and the license to kill. From your test me, you should write. Me telling a permit to bury and the license to kill. From your test me, you should watch out. After me give them this thing when they murder them a boy, escape and go shoot me mad over cat burn pen and bow. Me go come back for me grandfather again, but me not say nothing. Come here go hold him in a me pen. I've got the permit to bury and the license to kill. From him test me, should write him will because drop the one when him kill them and done and you know.
Alright, are you that?
Alright. Mikey Spice. Tell Chungy what go on.
Cause if you don't, your sound will be on fire. You gotta play good tune to defend yourself for me.
Chungy your time.
Alright, Mikey Spice, I could sing of that. But, no, me should play a theme. The theme song, the tune for tune. Always prepare, not true.
Hey, Mr. Undertaker, build them a coffin. Whoa, no, my mistake. Make that two. Say one for the selector, one for the owner. Lordy. Can't you see that my sound is taking over? Enough sound come one cross we border. But I know that my sound of them under harder cause how we do the killing, them do the burying. I feel me sound, no rump nor skin. When we do the killing, them do the burying. This your sound, no rump nor skin, boy.
Alright, Cocoa Tea, are you that?
Alright, we play a Cocoa Tea. Cocoa Tea, counteract that one.
Don't try to test. You know that I'm greater than the rest. Don't you ever test. You know that I'm greater than the rest. Cause anything that you can do, I can do it better. Cause I'm the toughest. Anything that you can do, I can do it better. I am the toughest. Yes, I'm the roughest. I can do what you
Alright, sorry. Come, defend the line.
Alright, you play Cocoa Tea, but the Cocoa Tea they're not effective in a clash. When you talk about your sound, at this you have to play.
Alone now. Turn off the immediate sound.
Lock off the laptop over there, so.
Immediate sound over there, so. Them idiots sounding on. Sound they are not threat. Them sound they are not threat. Them sound as if they hired a listen me cassette. Them sound they are not threat. Them sound they are not threat. Them sound as if they hired a listen me cassette. Turn off them idiot sounding. Over there so them idiot sounding. Over there so them jump and sounding. Whoa. Light up the fire and let them feel the heat. Listen now, selector, select intelligently. Just let the sound boy know we know how to do it. Them sound they are not threat. Them sound they are not threat. Them sound as if with the hired a listen me cassette. Them sound they are not threat. Them sound they are not threat. Them sound as if me the hired a listen me cassette. Now
hear the man say, sound as if me they had a listen cassette, and cassette days done. The fear days long gone.
Trevor Levy, come kill Chungy with that tune after.
If a 40 year it take me to kill your jump and sound, I will kill it and kill it properly. Cause you always go like you run the Lord and you can't even run not even report water that you drink.
Hear that, Chungy.
One woman to look some business for done in the later on. Come Trevor Levy, cause you know me to like every time man. Cause our business in the run free. Come, kill the sound tonight. Yes, we kill the sound tonight. Kill the sound tonight.
Alright, Chungy, come decide what you can do.
But the song has speak for itself.
Well, it is a weeping and a mourning and a gnashing of teeth in the dance hall, and who don't have teeth will run pan them come, cause when time it come to my sound, which is the champion sound, the bugle let blow for many times and it still have one more time left, cause the amount of stripe on our shoulder. Lambada sound of
Super Beagle.
I want to make it. Come, Super Beagle, here you go.
A lot of sound boy I get just out tonight. A lot of them going to suffer tonight. Cause this session is getting hotter, and this your dancer is under fire. A lot of people going to feel good tonight. So a lot of sound boy are gonna end up a fight. But remember to praise the champion every time, and he will guide you throughout this session.
Hey teacher, really the challenge you sent to me. Exhibition sickness in a virgin.
Whoa.
Right now, me vex with teacher, you know, can me think him and sense somebody other than.
Alright, Chungy, listen to that one now. See on top. You hear that?
Tell them say me and the general. Tell them say I'm me a general. We killing some boys in Georgia. Have no guts to cross the borderline. Alabama, Carolina. Tell them Tennessee and Nova.
Alright, Chungy, come back to your life.
Oh man, you're not general, man, you're general, virgin. When you play a tune, you play a Johnny as bird.
This is not a toy. This is not a toy. You're playing with a rough little sound. Little sound boy, it's not your time to play. Lock off your sound boy and let the champion play, cause we will dust you. Dust you, little sound boy. Little sound boy, it's not your time to play. Log off your sound boy.
And the first man me see come to school and get F for orientation day.
Dust
what that?
Little sound boy, cause we will dust you. Dust you, little sound boy. I heard you from my window. Your dove skips a beat. I heard you from my doorstep, and you treat her not so sweet, little sound boy. It's not your time to play.
All right, Johnny Osborne, hold it right there, so.
All right, and my time to play now. All right, Sanchez, got you.
Can't cross the border, the border, the border. Yeah. Sambo, we're gonna kill your sound if it takes all night. Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Sambo, we're gonna kill your sound if it takes all night. Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? It's a long time I've been searching for a sound to call my own. But you seem to be lonely.
All right,
come in,
Ah, you draw decent, Sanchez. But let me teach you how to play Sanchez.
Oh yes, oh yes, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, my son is the sweetest sound, playing all over town. My son is the sweetest sound, playing all over town. All of my friends them a tell me so. Me all up on the rhythm and me nah go let go. It ain't sound boy, me and you no friend. You better come wrap up with my sound again, 'cause you're the sweetest sound, playing all over town. My sound is the sweetest sound, playing all over town. We number one, we number two, we number three. Say I reckon I me say what says to me. Say who up on the mic, the Sanchez. And when me come and dance to me, I top celebrity. We're the sweetest sound, playing all over town. My sound is the sweetest sound, playing all over town. So when sound come, they couldn't touch me. We back up and the sound and bring it up.
Hey, Carl, you see when a clash you done, more you got DIB and order some stuff in burial spot right away. Here.
All right, Chungy, I like how you follow me, play a Sanchez and you play a Sanchez. That means you say I teacher, but I'm me the teacher. All right, this tune you're supposed to play this tune, you know. Sugar Minor, tell them how to go on. Tell Chungy how to go on.
You always worry yourself over clash, and when it comes to clash, you cannot face clash. Don't take it for a simple arithmetic. This is a hard sum for you, cause you never know about when we were ramming up dance and cock party. Your face long like the Italian donkey. Come, Sugar Minor, can you keep them quiet? Dead for the night.
Roughneck.
Come!
Them can't cross the border.
Don't!
Someone getting out of order.
How do I test?
But them can't pass the border.
So yeah, you're supposed to play this tune.
Them can't cross the border. We say we have them under order. We say them can't cross the border. We say we have them under order.
Come in and show me what you have.
We have them under.
We done cross the border a long time. You know why we cross the border a long time?
When you
Sugar Minor,
make sure you can maintain it. Oh God, it's rough old veteran. Watch out, I am a sprinter, stay a long distance runner. So why nobody try test me? Sprinter, stay a long distance runner. So nobody try test me. I can lead and hold on or come from the middle of the pack, or even make a move from the back. Like a champion, bubbling on the track. I'm giving everything I've got. No make sense, you jump around if you can't hold on. Up man coming from the back and then kicking up a storm. Looking over your shoulders, the crowd is on the heel. You're running out of stamina, it start to reveal. You shouldn't test the champion.
Alright, I know you not teach me nothing enough for me it's tough enough.
They say mercy right.
You don't say I teach you a little while. So alright, nice student. Listen to this. Listen to this.
We really nuggies. What can you do, Punchinella, little fella? What can you do now? What can you do, Punchinella, little fella? What can you really do now?
brown girl in the rag. Brown girl in the rag. She's a brown girl in the rag. A brown girl in the rag.
The man got nitty-gritty and play all the wrong tune. So you tell the man afraid of me when you play nitty-gritty in a war, and this you have to play.
I said me draw me mark, whoa. Yes, me draw me mark. Alright then, so mind how you pass. Hey, draw me mark, whoa. Mind how you pass. Hey, draw me mark, man. Said I mind how you pass. Hey, do it at a cost. A crowd of people start loud. Know that we are the boss. Oh, so mind how you talk. Oh, you find me fault. Oh, just remember that we around the dance hall, dark up the lawn. Oh, so mind how you pass. Hey, bounce you come with.
Alright, calm. I get the last chance to save yourself. Cool the melody. Tell me what I go on.
Needed someone at my door. What can you do for me? Yeah. Some boy, so flashy ain't easy. So that's why I'm telling you that you just can't play. Our sound is top celerity. I mean, so we don't play no sound if your sound is not ready.
Alright, so your time. People, at the last chance that the man really have to save himself. And that's a tune that virgin. Alright. You know what I say? For the last.
This you wanna murderer.
I call him favorite this, you know.
Wanna murderer.
So the student enjoy, nothing wrong with that.
A murder. You shouldn't try test this song, yeah. No, no. A murder. You shouldn't try play this song, yeah. No, no. We are go kill them one by one. Gentlemen, we are go kill them two by.
Alright, teacher.
You're right, you're right. I'm a roughneck son. My son a roughneck son. Here it is.
Just give me the road. Just give me the road. Next time. How can I hold jump and sound? Bring down a roughneck sound. How can I hold sing and sound? Bring down the roughneck sound. You did one fight, but now you're running away.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, DJ Carl. Thank you very much, Chungy. Well. Hold on. You see, before we get to the phone lines?
How we do the killing.
Tune for Tune is on this and every Saturday, 12:15 to 12:45 inside of Smooth Sailing. Brought to you by DIB Hardware, St. Margaret's Bay, Buff Bay, and Port Antonio. Tell you what, DJs and selectors, you'll be able to play live on Styles FM. Tune for Tune. Get more details. Call 993-3358 or 804-7072. Well, tell you what, during the entire Tune for Tune, Cleo was on the phone. She was taking some of your comments. So we want to hear some comments, and we want to hear anybody on the phone.
Yes, hello, caller.
Yes, Chungy.
Go ahead.
Disappointed in here. You can't treat visitor like that. You with the man too hard, man. You with the man too hard. Good. Take it.
All right, thank you. Yes, people, this is Lady Cleo for my overseas caller who wanted to know who this is. This is Lady Cleo, all right? Now, for the showdown between the brave and bold DJ Carl and...
Hello, good morning. Good afternoon.
Yo, shut up.
Yeah.
Trust me, Carl out pay the prestige, right?
Yeah.
And trust me, Chungy for himself. Yo, the man a play on top place and dub place on Chungy. But not tell a lie.
Let's say man play some top tune on Chungy.
That's expensive dub the man play on Chungy. But not tell a lie. Chungy dub been come like when I told them, yeah, they got a bag juice and play a bull for the whole day, like a cheap dub in a play. But nah, tell no lie. Chungy, ashes to ashes, dust to dust. You're dead now.
All right, caller. Thank
Right,
you.
sister.
All right, thank you. Yes, so we have caller. Hello, caller.
Hello. Yes, I'm called to just give my and the
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, I would give Chungy the winning, but the other guy gave some really good challenge.
All right.
Chungy the winning.
All right, thank you.
Okay,
So, Chungy,
all
you lead up with a one, eh?
We have Denise.
Yes, Denise. Go ahead, sweetie. Yes, Denise.
Hi, Denise from New Jersey. Afternoon, Miss Cleo.
Hi, darling. How are you doing?
Good. I want to say, Chungy, you have to behave yourself, you know, man. You never do him like that, man. Sure. Just make him feel welcome so he come back again. But it was a good segment. I don't think there's a winner.
All right.
Yes. Good afternoon, Miss Cleo. How are you?
All right, darling. I'm fine. All right, Denise. Thank you.
We have a call on this line here.
Hello? Hello?
You want to be called every day and Chungy and the manager, but you're the Chungy and
954, hold on, please.
Hello?
Clear.
Yes, I'm listening. I'm about to read your comment. You haven't given me the chance to read the comment, but go ahead.
But you mean that you're the Chungy angry man, wicked man.
All right.
I give you for action, man. We get a call and we call you all the night time and Monday night time, man.
Yes.
We have to clear, man.
All right, Gary. I was about to read your comment, sir.
954, go ahead, please.
Go ahead, caller.
We have a call on 954-338-7973. Alright, we lost that one.
Hello?
Yeah.
Turn your radio down, please.
Alright, cool. May I suggest something, you see?
Yes?
Colin, make this DJ them come on at the time. At least make them start with a special and finish with a bombing dub plate.
No.
The regular tune them calling it boring, man.
No, do not dub plate. 45 shoot.
The regular 45 them boring, brethren.
Alright.
All right, thank you.
Hello.
Hi, Queen.
Greetings. How you doing?
Hi, Chungy to take it.
Who took it?
Chungy, Chungy.
Chungy, all right, thank you. Hello?
Yeah.
Welcome to the show.
Hello?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
No, I said Chungy, take it. This is Rosie from New York.
All right, thank you, darling. I heard this really. Hello? Go ahead, caller. Hello? Not hearing anybody there. All right, so I go back to the text messages. Hello, caller. And we lost that one. So we go back. No. Joy says, and the calls keep coming in. Hello, caller.
Hey, so, hi, Miss Cleo, how you doing?
I'm not bad, sir.
Brother.
How you doing?
I just want to tell Colin, he doesn't have to clash anybody again. Just send out his student, Chungy.
All right.
The only thing is that Chungy leaving Bible, so he need to commit the Bible and that.
All right. Thank you. And another caller here. Hello, caller.
Yeah, Miss Cleo.
Yes, sir.
I'm calling from New York. I'll tell you something. Chungy really very youth. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
Chungy really doing stuff. All right? Hold tight.
All right, darling.
Cool.
Thank you.
Good.
And I hope I get a chance to read these text messages now. Now we have Joyce saying from Mount Vernon. Joyce says she don't want a funeral today because she can't fly out to come to see the burial, right? And Gary from Oxford said Chungy are the wickedest selector today. Now Maurice said DJ Carl playing the better tune and him a lead from a long time. And they want to know where the DJ they come from, Lady Kim. And she said teach him, yeah. So I presume she's taking the side of Chungy. All right, so there we have it for those that I got earlier. But we have some other text messages and calls coming in. Hello, caller. Hello.
Good evening. Good evening. I just want to make you know, say, Colin, no need to do nothing more. Just leave Chungy to take care of the show.
All right. All right, now Tony from Toronto. A Chungy ticket. Right, so we have a Chungy there. Chungy is the winner by far. Natalie from out of New York sent that one. Boy, Chungy are going today. And everybody have dub. All right, well, so they don't want to hear no dub. Stacy said that, eh? Chungy win by far. Natalie from Cayman. Chungy, the ladies, them are go hard for you today. Chungy all the way. And Kemar is saying that one. And we have another. Keep rolling in. Student, take it by far. Coming from Stacy. You have a caller? Hello, caller. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, welcome to the show. You're on air?
Yes. I want to say Chungy take it.
All right. Where are you calling?
Sunset St. Mary.
Why you said Chungy?
Chungy are the teacher.
Chungy what?
Chungy take it from the teacher all the way.
Oh, okay. All right, so thanks.
Thank you.
Oh. So we go back now to the messages because we're not done, you know, Colin. And a caller coming back. Hello, caller.
Yes, hello.
Yes, welcome to the show. Who you think win?
DJ Carl straight. Tell him, Master, love him from Chile Lane.
Who? DJ Carl.
Yeah, Master, love you from Chile Lane. Now you take it.
All right, Marsha.
Aye.
Thank you, Marsha. So that boy Carl, they love you today, you know. And we do have some more messages. And we have another says, a DJ Carl all the way, Nadine, unstoppable. Hello, caller. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to the show. Who you think win?
Okay, DJ Carl. I think Chungy talks a lot, but DJ Carl plays the better tune by far.
All right. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Connecticut.
All right. Thank you, girl. So Carl, the ladies, them love your equality. We look like, you know. So we do have another couple messages. And we have a call as well. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Yes, welcome. Who you think win? Who?
DJ Carl.
DJ Carl. Where are you calling from?
Anchovy.
All right. What's your name? All right. Thank
Tia.
you. All right,
Yeah.
Tia. Boy, that tune for tune, I'm mad, you know, because I can't get a chance to read the message, you know, caller coming straight. Same thing. Hello, caller. Hello, turn your radio down.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon. Welcome to the show.
I'm saying DJ Carl always.
All right, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Chile and his wife Nadine.
Oh, okay, my love. All right, wifey, big up. I like the support. Yeah. Boy, DJ Carl, things are going for you today. Hello, caller. Good afternoon.
Hello?
Yes, you're on air.
DJ Carl, hear why? DJ Carl play a cocotte, he play a backward.
All right.
He play a cable and he play a next one. Teach him and teach him.
Okay. All right, thank you, caller. Oh. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Miss Clear.
Hello. What's up?
This is Gary, New Jersey. Please, don't beat up DJ Carl. I think DJ Carl do good enough.
Yes. So who you think win?
Yeah, man, so don't beat him up, man. I know the Chungy win, but
okay.
Beat up DJ Carl that much, man. All right.
All right. Big up yourself. And big up to DJ Carl, of course.
Come in the studio to come taking the student.
All right. All right. Thank you, Gary.
Thank you.
All right. So, we go back to the messages now. And here we go. DJ Carl no play good. A student take it by far. And that's coming from Kim. And we still have messages.
Just want to remind you that the Tune for Tune segment is brought to you by DIB Block Factory and Hardware. They have stores in Buff Bay, St. Margaret's Bay, and William Street, Port Antonio. They have their big paint sale happening now. And of course, they have the widest range of tiles, floor tiles, wall tiles, ceramic tiles, porcelain tiles. They have it. That's DIB Block Factory and Hardware. Check them out.
Yes, and we're still on it, you know. Boy, Shaka, you must feel proud of your student. Chungy all the way, and that's coming from Pastel in New York. DJ Carl murder Chungy from start. Enough love, Carl. Ever call? Hello, caller.
Hello?
Hello, turn your radio down, sweetie.
Hello?
Yes, hello, you're on air.
DJ Carl all the way.
DJ Carl.
All the way.
All right, what's your name?
From Philly, Delta.
All right, Delsa, thank you. So, boy, neck and neck, you know, calling, don't it? Yes, man, stiff competition. And we still have messages that we're not read all now. All right, somebody sending a please call me, there can't work. So we do have Chungy all the way. We're not getting who that is coming from. And another call. Hello, caller.
Hello?
Hello, you're on air.
Chungy all the way.
Chungy all the way. All right. Chungy sounds she's in a fair bed. Chungy all the way. All right. And messages. Let's see. And that seems to be it for the messages calling. There you have it for the Tune for Tune segment.
Well, it's 453-444. If you want to give us a call, give us your comment. What do you think about the Tune for Tune? Or 954-338-7973. It's Tune for Tune, brought to you by DIB Block Factory and Hardware. DIB, they're located in Buff Bay, St. Margaret's Bay, and William Street, Port Antonio. And of course, they have the big paint sale going on right now and the big tile sale. You got a call. Hello, good afternoon.
Chungy all the way.
What you say?
Chungy all the way.
Why you say Chungy?
I just love how you go on, you know.
You love how Chungy go on?
Yeah.
Where you calling from?
Rock Hall.
Rock Hall. Thanks for calling.
Okay.
Well, tell you what, we make the time right now. It's 10 minutes. Make it 10 minutes going up to 1 o'clock. Hey, no, man. You're serious, man? I see it sideways. DJ Carl, you ready with the final tune? Drop your final tune, my boss. Come here and see the thing sideways. Drop it.
Final tune.
Sound boy, you cheated, and you knew that you lied. Try to take the jumping sound, I know you're surely gonna die.
East, west, north, and south, I'm surely gonna kill you. We got the wing to fly. Tell them that we're gonna incline my booga booga and it's a rubber.
I know you wanna test me, dibby dibby sound boy. But I'm not afraid to cut you down. No way, yo. If I have to get wild and kill for my dignity, I don't mind. Cause it means that much to me. Ain't too afraid to dust you. Dibby dibby sound boy. Eat it sound boy. You can't get away. You just can't run. No way. Ain't too afraid to kill. Eat it sound boy. Run away. You can't get away. Run away. You just can't hide.
No way. Traitor you mommy and your traitor you daddy. Want to trace a sugar teacher and a party. Tell them sound boy gonna pay the consequence. Back up the sound boy and don't leak out him fence. We have them the boy the mean of my self-defense. Select a back him up in a duffy dub.
All right, DJ Chung, you see what go on?
Alright,
Them
just
say you cheated.
Alright, just want to say big up to DJ Carl for pass through. And big up to the Chili Lane people them, cause me know say up there so you come from, you know. And guess what? The burial spot the right temperature right up there, so don't. So this is our farewell song to DJ Carl. Big up yourself. Thank you very much.
Light a candle, sing a song key and find your way back home.
All you sinners and the prodigal sons, repent and return to the flock. Oh, all you poor little wandering sheep, who from the flock have strayed away. There is
Hello, good afternoon. Yes, good afternoon.
ever since today. Don't you know the road back home is rocky, and it is dark when you're on your own. But if you heed the master's voice right now, you will find your way back home. So come on and find your way back home right now. Find your way back home.
Gotta say thanks to DJ Carl, thanks to Chungy, thanks to Lady Cleo, thanks to the Up Restaurant. They provided breakfast. Call them at 368-9229. Thanks to DIB Hardware and Black Factory having their big paint and the tile sales going on. DIB there in St. Margaret's Bay, Buff Bay, and Port Antonio. We got a call. Hello, good morning. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Yeah.
Tell Chungy, you know that's not right.
What happened to it?
Tell Chungy that's not right. He's killing the man and double killing him.
I hear you. Where you calling from? Man, I'm saying Chungy and double killing, but tell you what. We were just saying thanks to DIB Block Factory and Hardware for being the sponsors of Tune for Tune. Thanks to Fires Bar and Grill. And of course, you know, Fires Bar and Grill, they are at Norwich Rocket, and they provide their Hold It Sunday every Sunday. They give you all this but goodies. Kamal Supermarket and Variety Store, yeah man, Kamal's, Camlin's, and GNL Wholesale. Thanks for doing the giveaway.